How to create account on Dollar General. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can create an account on Dollar General, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to create an account on Dollar General, it's actually quite simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Dollar General application here. Once you launch the Dollar General app, you'll see this type of interface, let's say. Then here you can just tap the card option, or you can just tap the three lines option from the top right and then just scroll down to create an account option. And of course, if you had an account you could log in, but to create an account after you come to this page, all you have to do is make sure to simply enter your first name, and after that make sure to go ahead and then enter your last name. Once you make sure to enter your first name and last name, you can just go ahead and then basically tap the next step option over here. Once you tap the next step option, it asks you to simply enter your phone number, so go ahead and then make sure you do that as well. Once you've done that, just tap the verify number option and it's going to send a verification code to this phone number. And once it has done that, it'll ask you to simply check your email address and password. Once you've entered your email and password, your Dollar General account will get successfully created. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically create a Dollar General account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.